Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss certain topics in waste and byproduct utilization. So we'll see on these topics are present in Unit 2. So now we'll be seeing what are the waste components or chemical components of what it is, what the wastewater comprises of. So the wastewater comprises of solids. Okay, it consists of floating matter, which is be seen in the surfaces, the set level matter, which will be seen in the bottom, colloidal matter, and the matters in solutions. So what do you mean by total suspended solids? It includes all the particles suspended in water which will not pass through the filter. You can't separate it with the help of filter. See, when the level of TSS is increasing, a water body will begins to lose its ability to support a diversity of aquatic life. So this aquatic environmental balance will be affected by the presence of this total suspended solids. Okay, they will absorb the heat from sunlight, and this will increase the water temperature. So what happens automatically? The level of dissolved oxygen level will subsequently decrease. So this will affect the fish population. Next one we have it as the total dissolved solids. The total dissolved solids will be passed through the filter. Okay, it comprises primarily of colloidal and also dissolved solids, and colloidals typically in the size range from 0.001 to 1 mm. Next one is the volatile suspended solids. Will have from these solids cannot be volatile and burned off on the TSS or the ignited. So volatile suspended solids data is critical in determining the operational behavior and biological concentration throughout this system. So you have to concentrate this. Okay, and next one is turbidity. What we call it as turbidity. See, to what extent the water is able to measure this light transmitting property. It's very important test to indicate the quality of water discharges and natural waters. So the units can be NTU, that is nephelometric turbidity units. So you can have it as an electroturbidity measure. So with this we can measure the turbidity of the particular wastewater. The color is very important. So the age of the wastewater is being determined by the color and also the odor. So fresh water is actually, it will be a light brownish grey color. So the travel time of the collection system will increase the anaerobic conditions, the develop and color of the wastewater changes. It will be from grey to dark grey, and ultimately it can be black also. Okay, so this black color is due to the metallic sulfides, and also this metallic sulfides will be formed under the anaerobic conditions. Okay. Next one is absorption and transmission. So this is the measure of amount of light of a specified value that is absorbed by the constituents in a solution. So normally the observance can be measured by using the spectrophotometer. Next one is temperature. See, normally the temperature of wastewater will be high due to the addition of warm water from households and industrial activities. And so that the temperature affects also on the chemical reactions, on the reaction rates. And if the temperature is high, it will affect the aquatic life and also the suitability of the water for the biological needs of the human beings. Next one quantity is electrical conductivity. It is the measure of the ability of a solution to conduct the electric current, and this will you can place this an important parameter for determining the suitability of water for irrigation purpose. In SI units, it will be millisiemens per unit or micromos per centimeter. Okay, this can be done with the help of electrical conductivity meters. The chemical characteristics are known as pH. This we know very well. So this represents the hydrogen ion concentration. If we have a very high concentration of hydrogen ion, it is very difficult to treat by means of biological means. Okay, so the pH range should be, for example, for environmental allowable pH is from 6.5 to 8.5. Next one is chlorides. So human excreta contains 6 kg of 6 grams of chlorides per person per day. So infiltration of salty water into sewers is also a potential source of high chloride. So that also we have to take into account. Alkalinity means it will be presence of hydroxides, carbonates, bicarbonates, etc. Is normally when you take it as in wastewater, it's normally alkaline. Okay, so when the material is added for domestic use, alkalinity is increasing. Next one is nitrogen and phosphorus. So elements like nitrogen and phosphorus are essential for the growth of microorganisms, plants and animals and everything. So these are required to evaluate the treatability of wastewater. Whether you can, based on these elements and like nitrogen and phosphorus only, we can see that whether we can treat by using biological process, etc. Insufficient nitrogen can necessitate the addition of nitrogen. So if the amount of nitrogen is required amount is present, only you can make it water treatable. Okay, so but if control of algal goes to receiving water is necessary, removal of reduction nitrogen is has to be prior, it has to be done. Next we have metallic constituents like cadmium, chromium, copper, iron, lead, manganese, mercury, everything else, it will be the wastewater may contain. Next is actually the measurement of organic content. So first one is the methods used are about BOD and COD total, that we will be seeing in the second videos. Okay, sorry. The methods it is to trace is it should be from 10 to minus 12 to 10 to 0. Okay, so you can use gas chromatography and mass spectrography, etc. So measurement of chemical parameters will be milligrams per liters. It will be mgl per liter by specific gravity of fluid. Thanks for your patient listening. We shall meet in the next video. Bye as of now.